The first one I'm going to talk about is macro mode, and I know we've got product photographers on the line tonight. This probably is a mode that you use a lot. It is a little icon of a tulip or a little flower, because in most photography, close-up mode is you're usually taking pictures of flowers, so they use the icon of a flower. What this tells your camera is you're going in close, because we've got these cameras that are autofocus. What the camera's engineers did was, when they set this up, they had to figure out how to tell the camera where to look for that thing to focus on. They told the camera, look for something 3 feet or farther away from the camera to focus on. And then it started looking for different parameters. But if you're taking a picture of a flower, or you're taking a picture of an item you're trying to get in close, you're closer than 3 feet away. Especially if it's a postage stamp, you're probably a few inches away. So what this does is it tells your camera, start looking for something or focusing in on something closer than 3 feet away. So that's one of the settings. Now, the other thing that it does when it's in macro mode is, if you have to use a flash for some reason, let's say you're out taking a picture of a flower and a bumblebee comes into the flower and it's a bright sunny day, and the bumblebee kind of goes up underneath a petal where there's a deep shadow because it is a sunny day. And you say, oh gosh, if I just take the picture, that bumblebee is going to be obscured by the shadow. It's going to be too dark. So in that instance, you'd want to turn your flash on. And even though you're really close, you're still going to probably want to turn your flash on. And if you're in macro mode, and you turn your flash on, your camera knows to tone down that burst so that it doesn't wash everything out. So that's another function of macro mode.